Some political news now. Former Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh has officially announced an alliance with the BJP ahead of the upcoming Punjab polls. The announcement comes after Captain Amrinder Singh met the Union Minister and Punjab BJP in charge Gajendra Shekhawat in Delhi. My colleague Gurpreet joins us for more on this. Gurpreet, it was very evident that the only hurdle for the official alliance was the farm law bills. And once that was removed, once that has been repealed, it cleared the decks for this alliance.
Well, yes, of course, the former Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, he has already made it very clear, till the time farm bills are not going to be withdrawn, he will not forge any alliance with the BJP. Now the things are taking further and things are started moving, because we have seen first Gajendra Shekhawat, the top leader of BJP, he has come to Chandigarh. He had a detailed meeting with Captain Amrinder Singh, and after that, Captain Amrinder Singh had set up his organization setup. And now yesterday he has gone to Delhi, where he has discussed each and every formula with the BJP, that how the BJP as well as Captain Amrinder Singh will share the seats in the constituencies and how they will fight the elections in the upcoming elections in Punjab. So all the formulas are being formulated by both the leaders, and finally Captain Amrinder Singh, he has made public announcement, official announcement, that they are going to hold a BJP as an alliance party. At the same time, the seat sharing will go with BJP, and now it is yet to be confirmed that it is yet to be announced that how many seats Captain Amrinder Singh will get from the BJP, and from how many seats the BJP is going to contest elections in upcoming polls in Punjab. We have seen earlier the BJP was ally partner with the Shiromani Akali Dal, and BJP has not fought contested election from Punjab independently, but this time it seems that the BJP will have a major share and they will forge alliance with Captain Amrinder Singh. They will definitely share some seats, and it will definitely changing the political equation in the state in the coming days. Once there will be official announcement from Captain Amrinder Singh from which constituency Captain Amrinder Singh's candidate will be contested, will be fielded, and from which constituency BJP leaders will be contesting the election, then their whole political equation will be changing. So let's wait and watch for the official confirmation that how the seat sharing will be going on both the parties, Captain Amrinder Singh's party as well as BJP party. After that, there will be more political development, because we have seen immediately after that 22 councillors along with the Congress leaders from Patiala, they had already joined Captain Amrinder Singh in the evening. They have already come into fold, and as per Captain Amrinder Singh, we have seen that so many times Captain Amrinder Singh has given this statement. A lot of MLAs as well as MPs from the Congress, they are in touch with Captain Amrinder Singh, and they are just waiting for the implementation of model code of conduct in the state, and after that there will be a huge setback for the Congress. And let's see that how many people will shift loyalty from Congress towards Captain Amrinder Singh, because for the last so many days we have seen some of the top leaders from Congress, they have already shifted the loyalty from Congress towards Captain Amrinder Singh, and it is very sure this Captain Amrinder Singh's alliance with BJP will definitely give a major boost to the BJP to make their roots in Punjab. At the same time, it is also very sure that Congress will face heavy damage in the upcoming elections.
Okay, Gurpreet, thanks so much for that. Senior journalist Vinod Sharma joins us this evening. Mr. Sharma, good to have you on Mirror Now. Thanks so much for waiting on. While the fine print of this alliance is yet to be announced, what do you make of it? Does this really mean, does this work well for both Captain Amrinder Singh and the BJP? The BJP, of course, has been looking for an ally after the SAD dumped them. Does this work to the strengths of both parties?
Well, I think I've been from the very start been very skeptical about their prospects in the upcoming elections. I mean, in my assessment, and this is an early assessment, which I may amend later, because the election is ready. I mean, the field hasn't yet opened up, because there haven't been any announcement of candidatures yet from major political parties, barring a few candidatures by the Aam Aadmi Party and Shiromani Akali Dal. But I think that insofar as Captain and his and the implications of his entering the fray under his new party for the Congress is concerned, I think that he may not be able to win elections, but he'll surely be damaging the Congress the way, Chirag Paswan damaged Nitish Kumar in Patna. That is what I believe would be the implications for the Congress party. We'll have to see what big faces, I haven't seen any big faces joining Captain Amarinder Singh yet. So there may be some who may join if they are denied ticket by the Congress, and especially if Navjot Sidhu, is responsible for eliminating their candidature. So the game is yet to open in Punjab, but this alliance between the Punjab Lok Congress of Captain Amarinder Singh and the BJP is yet to emerge as a major factor, and the chances of they winning and forming a government are remote as of now.
Okay, Mr. Sharma, thanks so much for that analysis. Actually, let me take that to the BJP, Sudhanshu Mittal. Mr. Mittal, good evening. Thanks so much for speaking to Mirror Now. Is it possible that the celebrations or I wouldn't want to say celebrations, are we perhaps over-assessing the impact that this alliance could have? We've seen several new parties in the past play spoiler. We've seen several new parties eat away at the votes of the already existing one. Is this alliance strong enough? Does it have enough roots to actually make an impact in Punjab beyond being a spoiler?
You see, Punjab is a very critical state of the country, and things have to be viewed from that perspective. Punjab has seen a lot of bloodshed. Hello? Hello? Can I be heard? Hello?
Yes, please go ahead.
Punjab has seen
Yes, absolutely. Yes, Mr. Mittal, yeah.
It has seen a lot of bloodshed. It has seen a lot of terrorism. It has seen separatist movement. It has seen extremism. So it is a state which, for the country, is a very critical state. And the nationalism is of paramount importance for the future of not only the country but also of the state. It is with this perspective that two forces which are committed to nationalism have chosen to join hands. Even the most bitter critics of Captain Amarinder Singh would never accuse him of not being 100% committed to the nation. He's always taken a stand, contrary to his own earlier party also, when it came to nationalism, when it came to nationalistic issues, when it came to the integrity and unity of this country. And so is the case with BJP. So two forces which are committed to nationalism, which are committed to unity and integrity of this country, which are committed to fighting the forces which are separatist or which are extremist or which are terrorist patronizing forces, have joined hands. We are undermining the needs of Punjab in terms of nationalism. Has been one of the most patriotic states of this country, where people, their hearts have always bled for the country. Now, the aspiration of the common people of Punjab has a lot to do with how they want this country and how they want this state to be peaceful and prosperous. It is for this reason that you will see a wave which will unwind itself in favor of this alliance because of the desire for peace, prosperity and nationalism. You see what the opponents have been talking, be it the Aam Aadmi Party, be it the Congress, the kind of agenda they've been pursuing. These agendas have not been favorable to the integrity and unity of this country. There are people, Aam Aadmi Party was openly seen patronizing the terrorist supporters. So is the case with Sidhu and Congress. They
Mr.
in
Mittal?
order to... Yes?
Mr. Mittal, I request you, your newfound ally, the Punjab Lok Congress Party's member, also Preetpal Singh Baliawal, joins us. I'm sure you'll cede the dais to him now because your new ally is also joining us on the call this evening. Mr. Baliawal, good evening. Thank you so much for speaking to Mirror Now. We had Sudhanshu Mittal, your new ally, talking about the impact that this alliance is going to have on the Punjab polls. Is nationalism as a glue strong enough to bring the BJP and Captain Amarinder Singh's party together? Is that going to be a force to reckon with? Is that going to be the agenda to sell?
देखिए मैम, जो कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह हैं उनकी नेशनलिज्म पे तो कभी सवाल उठ ही नहीं पाएगा, क्योंकि कहानी ये है कि कल कांग्रेस ने एक सम्मान दिवस के तौर पे 50 साल जो हुए हैं बांग्लादेश को आजाद करेंगे उसकी रैली करी। हमने तो कल भी सवाल पूछा कि नवजोत सिद्धू जो इमरान खान को बड़ा भाई कह रहा है, जो हमारे सैनिकों के ऊपर गोली चलाता है, शहीद होकर हमारे सैनिक आते हैं, क्या पंजाब उस जैसे लीडर्स चाहता है, उस जैसी स्टेट रन करना चाहता है, पंजाब को तोड़ने वाले लोगों को चुनना चाहता है? तो वो नेशनलिज्म जो 1965 की लड़ाई कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह ने लड़ी है कि उस आदमी को, उस जो 2 बार चीफ मिनिस्टर रहे हैं पंजाब के, उनको चुनना चाहता है। तो दीज आर दी थिंग्स। इसके लिए आज जो बीजेपी है वो इज ए सूटेबल पार्टनर फॉर द कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह, ज्वाइंटली लड़ेंगे। और मुझे उम्मीद है कि पंजाब की बेटरमेंट के लिए, जैसे अभी नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जो कानून थे, खेती कानून, उन्हें रद्द किया है, तो पंजाब के लोग उन्हें अपना भावी जो हमारा अलायंस है उसे स्वीकार करेंगे और हमारी बनाएंगे। तो इसमें कोई दो राह नहीं है। उसके लिए आज हमारा फर्स्ट मीटिंग, 8 राउंड की मीटिंग हो चुकी है ऑलरेडी, और आज कॉल पे आए थे अपना कैप्टन साहब गजेंद्र सिंह से मिलने और नेताओं से भी मिले हैं। तो मुझे उम्मीद है कि पंजाब में हम ज्वाइंटली तीनों पार्टी मिलकर अपनी सरकार बनाएंगी।
ठीक है, Mr. Baliwal, Mr. Mittal, thank you so much for speaking to Mirror Now. We heard newfound friends, new allies, that is the BJP and Captain Amrinder Singh's party, formalizing that equation, formalizing this new alliance, which is going to take shape ahead of the Punjab polls. Will there be a force to reckon with is what we need to watch out for. Slipping into a short break now. Stay tuned for more.